what would happen if a city moves from one place to another? Well, this is not really an interesting question, but there are some possible answers. First, we need to look at the financial crisis that they will face and the financial good. So, first let's go to maps. But first let's go to Google Maps. Or Google Earth. That'd be better. So anyway, let's search up I'm feeling lucky. I'm joking. So we have to search up a really poor town. So let's search up towns in Africa. Now let's search up Africa and let's see what random... I know. So let's go to the area of Chad. And here we can find Iowa. So we're gonna do a map and then we're gonna show everything. So like we can see we have lines of longitude / latitude, and then we can see the equator, and then we can see the prime meridian. And we can also see some towns too. So let's find a town. Tropic of Cancer. So Chad. Let's go to South Sweden and let's find Juba. Let's see what this thing is. What the heck? So I'm not gonna see any pictures, but this is Juba. Welcome to Juba. So let's say you have hypermarket, you have all of this. I said gang school. Or Regency Hotel, which is a 3-star hotel at the Regency swimming pool Jazz Zone. So let's see some ratings. So one has a 3-star rating, which means that it's not good. So let's say we wanted to move from here and take this whole entire town to America. Let's say there's no civilization, so we decided to just take it like somewhere here. So first, we have to deal with the financial and legal problems. So for that, we're gonna have to go to the calculator. We have to go to the App Store and download Currency Calculator. Currency Calculator. So we need something like this. So let's just wait for that to download. Okay, it's downloaded. So let's say we have 155 and US dollar. And then make this US dollar 155 point that. We're minusing that by 789.233.155. If that costs too much, now let's say we want to move a building. Wait, no, then we gotta use a normal calculator. Cal. So we have 789.456. We have 789.456.5. So let's say our town has this much amount of money, 0.78 cents. And we're going to minus that. And let's say it takes about 888,999,56.32 to take one building. So we get 7 error. So percent. Wait, no. Okay, undo. Let's restart again. So we have 789.5656.3645. And then let's say, so we have 56 cents. And then let's say we plan to divide that by 45566.32. That would equal 1,732.77,771.6, which would leave us with that. So let's type that same exact number. And then we let's say we have to remove now all the gas stations. So let's say to remove one gas station takes 789.456, and if we were to divide that, equals 29194. 6, so we put 2194, which would leave with $2 actually. Wait, no, 194. We put that divided by, I think it's divided by 2. You would get 1. If you divide that by 2, you would get $2 left. And if we were to actually be left with that much, then taxes would have to go rocket high. So now we're gonna go to the notes. So when it was normal, the tax rate, so this is tax, normal tax, so the daily tax would be 1, 3, 4. Wait, no, erase. It's 4, which would bring the population down. Then 1, 2, 3. So usually it's about a level 3. Yeah, it skyrocketed to 4 and then just went down, which is enough to supply the city. But if it's high, because there's only like some dollars left, and then now we added a whole entire 10 and then down 8, so 8 to 10, there would either be 8s or 10s on the list. So it's switching to 8, 10, 8, 10, 8, 10, and then 10 would basically equal 100,000 dollars, and then 8 would be $800,000, which would which would mean that the population would go down. Now we have to see. So let's say that. Let me find Bitcoin. So they're in South African, and then we're gonna have to change that to US dollars. So let's say theirs is 789. Wait, no. 78945. Wait, no. 789. So 46,455. Which is, so if we were to, and let's say we have to, and let's say there's less citizens, so all of a sudden it's all minused by, wait, no. It's all minused by 336.32, which would make that 236, which is only 13,002, which would mean that that would not be enough to afford that. So let's get. Now we have to go with. Now let's say we have to divide that number by 789 because we're rebuilding our place. We'll give it $16.48 to move to the America. And then for the last, we have to 789.56, which would make us with 0.021 cents. And then if we were to do 0.021 cents there, so that would equal, which would make us poor and would not make the city livable. And on the end, time zones are going to change. So if one time zone was to travel to another, then we would face day sleeping problems because let me open up the time zone app. Let me open up the clock. And then we're gonna go into world clock. So world clock, bro. Show me the world clock. Bro, what the heck? Edit. So let's say we have all of these. So which means that their time zone would change and that sleeping would become the number one problems. Now, and the benefits they would have. So now let's go to our calculator again. Let's say some citizens managed to pay, which would give them about, now it's switching US dollar to thing. Which would give them about $100,000.23. Only 1,824 in there. So now they switched their currency from ZAR to USD. But some people are still playing in ZARs, which is accepted. So we have we have 100, 100, 100. Wait, no, so like that's 100.32. 0.3. And then we're going to plus 456.23. We'll give them about 137. Now think the skyrocketing again. Until you have to divide that by 789.23 to refuel your local shops. We'll give you about that. So we have that. So the city would thrive again. But let's say people leave to go to another area because you get hit by a financial crisis because your taxes just got raised for some reason. So that would be divided by 456 for that. Now let's say like this is how much money you'll have. Let's say you get added by 789.23. Yay! And then you'll have plus 123.36 because some people new moved in. So your city's money is thriving until it gets divided by, well, people. Let's say civil stuff happens and they destroy half of your buildings. So the 8 divided by, let's do 5.23. I don't even know. 555.73, which would, as some people start raising, some people start leaving. So which would do 100.23, which would give us $5.04. So we had thrived until some people moved, until the U.S. saw what was happening and donated some money. Now we have 123. This much money donated. That's 32 cents. Let's see, we have 789. And then we have plus 23. Bang. Now we're thriving again. But let's say the US never donated and we were stuck with $5.04. Taxes would go minus 23. Yep, and then we're gonna do bad, which means we can't even afford anything anymore. Now let's say we have today's taxes plus 900. 999. Yeah, we got 18 plus 12 today. Until times 89. Let's say people start donating money because they feel bad, and then you have enough money to make a jail, which costs $456 for one cell. And then let's say some other people start donating times 89. And then we can do divided by 4, 6, and then bam, we put which would add about 120. So, which would give us this much of money, which is divided by 789 to provide the need, would get us. So this would be unlivable. So time zones and people start leaving. And next, we have another random question. What happens if the Chernobyl disaster happened again? Ding. So let's say one day a city's at peace until, well, got a radioactive can. And let's say a missile just comes. So the news and let's say multiple people rush, which would give minus 6,867, which would be bad. So let's say a Chernobyl type of disaster happens. Immediately, climate would skyrocket, buildings would collapse, we would face minor issues, and since it's radioactive too, people are gonna start dying. And immediately USA helicopter is gonna be sent, and well, they'll eventually die too. So that would not be good. So Chernobyl type, but that's not a Chernobyl type of disaster. We need multiple to even match it. Let's see the city's text messages. So that's a Chernobyl type of disaster. Now we're gonna start losing money because people are dying and taxes aren't being paid. So that would make it bad, especially if, well, a nuclear bomb just decided to drop a hotspot of a helicopter. not actually make it safe for the helicopter. Because if the helicopter got hit by a nuclear bomb, you know what would happen. I'm pretty sure you would. It would be sad. And plus, probably lose a lot of stuff. So that's what happened if a Chernobyl type of disaster happened. And that's random questions answered by your local person, part 1. See you later. If you find this boring too, just click off too.